Hi, beauties, welcome back. I recently tried the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil, and I must admit, it's been an interesting experience. As someone venturing into the world of oil cleansers for the first time, I was pleasantly surprised by its performance. Formulated with 95% naturally derived plant oils, including rice bran oil, sunflower seed oil, olive oil, jojoba seed oil, and macadamia ternifolia seed oil. This cleansing oil promises thorough cleansing while maintaining skin hydration. And it delivers on that promise. Despite its oily texture upon application, it emulsifies beautifully upon contact with water, turning into a milky consistency that rinses off effortlessly, leaving my skin feeling clean and hydrated. During the massaging process, I noticed its ability to effectively dissolve small blemishes, though it's not a miracle worker for larger ones. The formula is indeed clean and simple, free from artificial fragrances, which is a big plus for sensitive skin. However, the natural scent of the oil, reminiscent of rubber or canola oil, isn't particularly pleasant. Although I got accustomed to it over time, it's worth noting for those sensitive to smells. While the cleansing process was smooth, I did experience some cloudiness in my eyes. So I must say, if you have sensitive skin, you may have reaction to this product for the long run. Despite its gentle nature, you may notice irritation and breakouts after repeated use. This could be attributed to the black rice ingredient. On the positive side, the bottle lasts a considerable amount of time, making it a good investment in terms of quantity. However, the need for extra cleansing to remove any residual product was a minor inconvenience. In conclusion, while the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil has its strengths, such as effective cleansing and hydrating properties, its compatibility with sensitive skin may vary. For me, the drawbacks of the scent